What's new, crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cassandra, and today I'm sharing with you guys my Aldi haul for the entire month of June for my family of 6. My kids are still in school. I know a lot of places kids are out or they're about to be out. My kids still have about a week left, so I still have some school things in here. I still have obviously some summer things. I stocked up on things. My total came to $321 and some cents, but stocked up, so some things will last past this month. I'll show you guys what those are. Some freezer things, easy lunches, some canned goods, just all the things. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what we're doing for snacks and things. But let's go ahead, turn the camera around, and hop into all the things before my stuff starts to melt. All right, you guys, here is my Aldi haul for the month of June. I stocked up on some things, as you can see here, for summer items. So this isn't going to be something that I have to buy every single month. Hopefully these will last all summer. If not all summer, at least a couple of months, but we'll see. Some things will last longer than others. So let's just go through. I'll show you guys everything I got. If you want to see my meal plan for the month for lunches and dinners, especially summertime, kids are home all day, they're gonna be hungry. I'll link my June meal plan down below for you guys and let you guys know kind of what meals these are gonna be happening and different things like that. First things first, lots of apples going down. They're actually a really good price, so I got 3 bags of Galas. My kids been kind of slow on apples and oranges lately, so I only got 3 bags. I can always go back and grab another bag if I need to, because in the middle of the month in the summer, we will go back, we'll get another watermelon, we'll get another gallon of milk, or kind of whatever the kids ran through over the first couple weeks of the month if we need to, at least until the garden starts producing. Then we probably won't do that anymore. I got a bag of grapes, that was a request. Bananas, of course. Colt ate one on the way home, and then I am getting more bananas from Walmart. I usually will get some from Aldi and some from Walmart, just because usually my grocery hauls are a couple days apart, and by the time I get to Walmart and pick up my order and things, these bananas are usually long gone. So these are just bananas for the first couple of days here throughout the month. I got a bacon avocado ranch salad kit. These are great. I wanted to get Caesared salad kits, but they were all gone. So this is the one I got. I only got one just because I felt like I only wanted one. Got some romaine lettuce. For different meals, we're doing lettuce wraps, teriyaki chicken wraps, tacos, all the things. This is something that I might get more of depending on how quickly my lettuce comes in for the garden. I got a thing of salsa. We officially went through the rest of the salsa that we canned at the fall time, so had to buy one, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll get more salsa on the shelf. I got a big 10-pound bag of roasting potatoes. The last couple months I've been switching what kind of potato we've been getting. We've done yellow, red, but summertime, gotta have the russets for the baked potatoes. So I got a big bag of those, and those are just simple, no-brainer sides. Whenever we're grilling, we'll make a couple of baked potatoes. Kids can put whatever they want on them, and they're always a big hit here. I got a thing of blueberry bagels because my husband mentioned the other day that he really liked these, and we haven't had them in a long time. So I got a thing of blueberry bagels for him. I got 5 things of these large tortillas. My plan is with this. We are currently drowning in chicken eggs right now. People that I usually give them to don't need them right now, or they don't want them right now. Different things, just people don't need them quite yet. So we have so many. I have, I think, right around 10 gallons of chicken eggs right now, which I know sounds bizarre. So my plan is to use some of those. I'm going to take some of our ground pork and breakfast sausage, things like that, some of our bacon, and I'm going to make a ton of breakfast burritos and get them in the freezer. That way when my husband wants to take one on his way to work, he can either just grab it, pop it in the microwave, eat it here, or he can heat it up when he gets to work, let it thaw in his lunchbox, have it for lunch, like whatever. So I got 5 packs of 8 of those large tortilla shells. That's what those are for. We'll also use them for tacos throughout the month if we want. But that's my plan with that right now. I also got 2 packs of these 20 count small tortillas. The kids use these for lunches all the time. We make roll-ups with these, quesadillas with these. And to keep these tortillas good until I want them, I'm just gonna put all these bad boys in the freezer. I'll pull them out when I need them. If I forget to pull these out and we need these for dinner, and it's like dinner time and I'm going, oh no, I forgot to pull out those tortillas, just pop them in the microwave, take them out of the bag, obviously, pop them in the microwave, about 30 seconds and your tortillas are good to go. So no worries here. When I have them, I'll need them. Aldi doesn't always have these miniature chocolate chips, at least in my area. And we really prefer the mini ones for baking. For pancakes, we put this in granola sometimes, or put them on yogurt for a fun treat for the kids. So I got 4 bags of miniature chocolate chips. I also needed some white chocolate for a recipe. I needed some white chocolate chips for a recipe we're going to be doing. I found off Pinterest, but it's basically this like vanilla pudding truffle cake sort of thing, but I needed these, so I got 2 of those. 2 boxes of graham crackers. I have another one downstairs on the storage shelf, so 3 for the month is what I'm thinking I'm gonna need. These are for s'mores. I also have barbecue. We actually have a lot of barbecues coming up this month. June is a busy month. We have a lot of birthdays and of course Father's Day, so lots of things that I'm bringing to barbecues, like that vanilla pudding cake. I'm gonna be bringing that. I also need to bring some peanut butter chocolate bars, and I need graham crackers for those. So recipes for these and just s'mores. Lots of butter for the month. Our usual 4 packs of butter, which we go through pretty quick with cookies and different desserts that we're making. Now here's something that I stocked up on. I don't know if this is gonna last us the whole summer. Probably not. I'm being realistic. One of our favorite lunches is this organic Simple Nature tomato and basil soup. Guys, it's so good. This is a massive can. Also, it's right over a pound. It's 18.6 ounces, but this is phenomenal soup. One of these cans of soup can feed me and the 3 kids that eat with grilled cheese sandwiches for an entire meal. It's so good. My husband doesn't even like tomatoes, you guys, and he likes this tomato basil soup. Really good. So I'm pretty sure I got, let's see, 2, 4, 6 cans of the tomato soup, and then I also got 2 cans of this chicken noodle soup, just in case somebody wanted something different one day. Instead of the tomato soup, they could have a grilled cheese with some chicken noodle soup instead. So I got 2 of those. Lots of tomato soups. I also got 1 can of pineapple chunks because we're gonna be doing lots of pizzas for lunches during the summertime, and my oldest daughter loves pineapple on her pizza, so we'll open the can, put some on her pizza, and then I'll take the rest of the can and put it in little freezer Ziploc bags in like 1 portion for a pizza, and I'll freeze those for her, and then every time we make a pizza, I'll just pull out one of those little Ziploc bags with a serving of pineapple chunks in it, and she can put it on her pizza. It is on my list to can pineapple in just like little itsy bitsy jars for her to put on pizzas because she's the only one that likes it. So that is on my to-do list, but we'll see when that happens. I also got 3 cans of mandarin oranges. I always give these to my babies, just a couple at a time. So 1 jar will last me quite a long time. So I only got 3 cans just to see if she even likes them. But I always give my babies these when they're starting to learn table food because they're super soft and my babies always really like them. I got this chicken dipping sauce. My Aldi doesn't always have these, but oh my gosh, me and my husband love to put this on our salmon patties. This is so good with salmon. So we're almost out of our other one. He's like, whenever you see that, buy another one. So I saw it and I got another chicken dipping sauce. This is another stock up. I got a couple cans of macaroni, like basically Aldi SpaghettiOs. So I got a couple things of those. I also got a couple cans of mini raviolis to have on the shelf. This is not on my meal plan for lunches. My thinking with this is whenever someone wants something different, it does happen, you get sick of eating the same thing all the time. This is just something different. So if I'm going, hey, today we're having quesadillas for lunch, and I have one kid go, you know what, Mom, I really don't want quesadillas. I'm sick of eating quesadillas. I can go, okay, we'll go downstairs on the storage shelf and pick a can of whatever. Grab a ravioli, grab a SpaghettiO or something. So this should last us the whole summer. That's at least my thinking. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty sure I got 5 of each, so 10 cans total, and I'm hoping that lasts. Macaroni is on the meal plan. Once a week we're going to be doing a thing of macaroni and cheese. Just myself and the kids, 1 box is enough. I don't really like boxed mac and cheese, so that'll be something I eat something else, like a salad, or maybe we have leftovers and I'll eat the leftovers. The kids will have the mac and cheese. But if my husband is eating, saying we're doing this on like a Saturday or something, I'll do 2 boxes of mac and cheese for him and the kids. So a couple meals worth of mac and cheese here for sure. We are going to be doing like a homemade Chex Mix. I'm going to say homemade Chex Mix. It's a lot cheaper if I just buy all the individual ingredients. We mix up a big batch of Chex Mix put the rest of the box downstairs on a storage shelf, and then halfway through the month, I'll redo the Chex Mix. So we got Cheez-Its. I also got some animal crackers for that. Cold saw these, threw them in the cart. I have no problem with this. I did get some from Walmart, but so we'll have 2 boxes this month. It's not an issue. 80 pops in the box. It was right under $6, so I'm just gonna store these, and these are kind of just snacks that the kids can have whenever. They'll probably eat 2 a day all summer, I'm being honest, and I'm okay with that. I got 2 boxes of Golden Rounds crackers for our homemade Lunchable lunches that we're gonna be doing once a week. I also want my husband to make some smoked trout dip, and we like that with these crackers. A couple bags of cheese. Whatever my recipe said I needed is what I got. I'm pretty sure 3 bags of Colby Jack, some taco cheese for the taquitos, blocked cheese for our homemade Lunchables that we're gonna be doing. We'll go through about 1.5 blocks of cheese for 1 lunch for Lunchables. 2 things of sliced cheese. I'm pretty sure, yep, I got 2 packs of pepperoni for our pizzas that we're going to be doing. 2 big things of unsweetened applesauce. This just makes a really easy side for breakfast, lunches. Yeah, just a really great side that we like to do. I got these Fig Newton bars for the baby. Of course, if anybody else wants them, they can have some Fig Newtons as well, but my babies usually really like those. My kids are still in school. My kids still have about a week left after this video goes up, and they have a lot of, it's mostly just field trips and fun things. They're not really like in school, but they do need disposable lunches. So typically I'd get like the boxes of Jell-O. I'll make that up, and the kids, I'll just put it in their reusable lunch boxes for the week. But because they need to have a throwaway lunch, I got these. We got some strawberry and orange Jell-O, and then just a regular strawberry Jell-O for their throwaway lunches, and then whatever we have left over, the kids can have like after school or whatever. 2 bags of marshmallows. My kids love Rice Krispies, so those will be for those, and then s'mores. Does Aldi not sell the big bags of hot dogs anymore? Because this is all I could find, so I got 2 bags of hard salami, also for our homemade Lunchables. We'll do the pepperonis for Lunchables too sometimes, but these freeze well, so I'll throw them in the freezer, pull them out when we need them. Parmesan, needed this for a couple meals. Baking powder, just needed more. Breadcrumbs are for some meatballs that we're doing for meatball subs. Our favorite pasta salad uses Italian dressing, so I got one of these to have on the shelf. I got 2 bags of frozen strawberries for the kids, 2 frozen blueberries for the kids. We make smoothies out of these. They throw them in yogurt. They eat them just right out of the bag frozen, one of their favorite things. 1 bag of chicken breasts. 2 bags of chicken thighs. When we grill, I like to use thighs because they just don't dry out like a chicken breast would on the grill. I'll use the chicken breast mostly for chicken salad for lunches. I do take requests from my kids, and a request that they had was these pretzel sticks, 2 things of bologna, some lunch meat. I'm gonna freeze all this, pull it out when we need it. I don't have sandwiches on my meal plan, but if we're going to the park, make a sandwich, throw it in the cooler, let's go. We're going to the beach, make a sandwich, throw it in the cooler, let's go. So these aren't on the meal plan, but these are those random spur of the moment lunches where we're gonna be gone all day, and I'm gonna tell the kids, grab me what you want on your sandwich and let's get going. Thing of oats, we've been doing so much baking with oats lately, so I needed to get a thing of that. I like to have these mushrooms on hand during the summer because they grill amazing, so I always find something to throw those in. Thing of strawberries for the kids. My husband, get this, in a couple weeks we're gonna be having zucchini coming out of our nose from the garden, and he goes, I really want zucchini bread. So I had to pay for zucchini, and I was just making fun of him. So I'm like, you can't wait, seriously? So we're gonna do some zucchini bread with this. 2 things of cucumbers for the kids. Soon that'll be out of the garden. Fruit snacks for the kids. Just easy thing to have on hand. And then the very last thing we got were these Starbucks kits. Everybody's talking about these. I totally forgot to mention these, but I got 2 boxes of whole grain chicken fries. These were $8 a box. That'll last the summer. I'll make it last the summer. We'll have them once a week for a while until they're gone. But we're gonna do those instead of fish sticks this month. The tortilla chips are for nachos, and then these little chips are for those throwaway snacks or throwaway lunches that the kids need for some field trips, and whatever's left will be beach snacks. So just the rest of the grocery haul here. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me, especially watching my Aldi haul. Take a minute to subscribe. I don't tell you guys that enough, but you could subscribe. You could give this video a thumbs up. You could comment down below. Anything obviously help. Anything you want to do, of course, helps get my video pushed out into the algorithm, and we'll do a lot better on YouTube if you guys want to comment or give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.